Beneteau Oceanis 47 Absolute Novelty World Premiere. Cannes Yachting Festival 2025. Follow us. Let's step aboard this brand new 47 to discover its details in a preview. Follow us. Comfort and elegance are absolutely certain. We'll see it together now, but it also has a sporty edge. In fact, we are here on the first line version of the boat, and the components, as you can see, are inspired by very fast racing boats. I won't take much time to bore you with technical details that you will absolutely find in the video description, besides the fact that it's not my place to talk about every single technical detail, but I want to give you an overview so you can understand if this might be exactly the right boat for you. Certainly not all boats of this size, and especially sailboats, offer the possibility of having a huge sunbathing area here in the cockpit. In fact, let's assume we are at anchor, not sailing, and consequently, I don't know, relaxing and getting a bit of a tan. On this boat, you can do that by lowering the central cockpit tables. It automatically becomes a sunbathing area that is truly a parade ground. To starboard, we also have the engine controls. In fact, when motoring, we have to be on the right side of the boat to be able to steer it. In any case, on both sides, we have the steering wheels that completely control the entire boat, as well as the electronic instrumentation, which is repeated on both consoles. Energy, solar energy on board. In fact, thanks to these solar panels, obviously, we are able to maintain and have a very high level of autonomy for the use of the equipment on board. Let's also discover the interior of this exceptional boat, because they have done a superb job. Nauta really went all out. They came up with some optimal solutions. Let's go see. Central square, so the central part of the cabin when going down the stairs. Right in front of me are the stairs, so the bow is in that direction. In this area, we have a real dining room fit for a palace. Opposite the dining table, we have a two-seater sofa. The dining table, which can also be lowered, transforms into an additional dinette, so two more sleeping berths if desired on board. The kitchen is right in front of me, and now we're going to look at all the details. The spaces are abundant. Aside from whatever adjectives one might want to use, Nauta has truly gone all out to find every single centimeter and furnish or utilize it 100% with the utmost elegance and convenience. On the left side of the boat, we have a fully furnished L-shaped kitchen. In this area, we house the two refrigerators, both the door-style and the chest-style ones. In addition to this, we have the stove, the sinks, everything we might need to stay on board for many days, many weeks. It's all there, and it's very practical. Aft cabin, left side, port side. Let's say the solutions are quite classic, but the finishes are of a superior level. Here too, we obviously have the possibility of having a completely mirrored cabin on the opposite side, so to starboard, on the starboard side of the boat, and we have, let's go see both that and the bathroom. Bathroom with separate shower. We are in the 3-cabin, 2-bathroom version, so we have a bathroom dedicated obviously to the owner's cabin that we will see soon. The spaces are exceptional, utilized, as I was telling you before, by Nauta in every corner. Owner's cabin, double bed, obviously the most comfortable, the widest, the most suitable for those who have to stay on board for a long time. We had, the choice to make the toilet, the bathroom, so the WC and the shower separately in order to allow for a larger front opening, because by dividing the spaces, we have two smaller spaces on the sides of the cabin, and the cabin can take advantage of much more air. Air and the possibility to see more things in the absolute best way. Spa-style shower, even with a seat. In addition to the seat and the shower, we also have a sink. Consequently, here I can really clean myself thoroughly, deep down. The toilet, on the other hand, obviously has the WC bowl and another sink. These two, even on this side, the spaces are very generous. I hope you enjoyed this overview, this preview presentation of the Beneteau Oceanis 47. because the boat is truly worth it. Beyond the technical aspect, also the aesthetic aspect, which I tried to show you quickly, how much work and how much beauty they managed to create inside this boat. In any case, you can find all the technical information, as I told you at the beginning of the video, right in the video's description box. You will also find all our contact details, so you can call us, send us an email, book an appointment, and start talking about making your dream of sailing the seas with a stunning Oceanis 47 come true. If you don't want to miss a single one of our videos, previews, or sea trials, all you have to do is subscribe to this very channel. From a spectacular 2025 Cannes Yachting Festival, all that's left for me to say is fair winds and always keep an eye on the weather.